So guys, welcome back once again in this video, and this is Masum here. So if you want to improve English speaking, that this video is going to be more crucial. So before that, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. Now welcome to this video, day 7 of 21 days challenge of speak English with me. So in this video we're going to discuss that the sounds of English letters. For example, Hindi, Bengali, and other letters. If Hindi has example 10 letters, then it has only 10 sounds, but in English there are total 26 letters. Unfortunately, English has total 44 sounds. So before going to the main crux, let me tell you one thing, just a motivational sentence. Think about iron. I am saying about the word I-R-O-N. It's not actually iron. The correct pronunciation is iron. So think about iron. There is nothing that can destroy iron unless iron gets destroyed by its own rust. Did you get me? Similarly, in your life, there is no one who can destroy you unless you allow it to yourself. So never fed up, never demotivate, just practice like this, like I am practicing English speaking, so you can easily improve your English speaking too. Okay, now let's discuss about this vowel, English sounds, English letter sounds. So English has total 26 letters and it has 44 sounds. In vowel, there are only 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and vowel has 20 sounds, total 20 sounds, long vowel sounds, short vowel sounds, and diphthongs. That means where 2 vowel sounds glided into one sounds, and 24 consonant sounds. So overall there are total 44 sounds of English letters. Now okay, let me break it down more, but before that, you know who is the boss of English sound, English letter sound? The word Schwa. Okay, actually SCHWA, Schwa, the pronunciation of, what is the Schwa sound? It's actually a sound, upside down of letter. I am saying it again that watch this video clearly and confidently. You will get to know something very important. You will learn something different. Among the vowel sound, there are total 20 vowel sounds, where long vowel sounds are there around total 5 sounds. Example, see, food, car, saw, bird, etc. Here the vowel sound is long. For example, car, C-A-R, car, and short vowel sounds. So there are total 5 short vowel sounds, and the sounds are sit, book, cat, hot, cup. Where in each and every letter of these words, the sounds of vowel sounds is very short. Like in the word cat, C-A-T, cat. Here the sound of the letter A is very short. Number 3, diphthongs, where 2 vowel sounds glide into one. For example, day, D-A-Y, day. And in diphthongs, there are total 8 sounds of English letter. I am saying about the vowels. Example, day, time, boy, how, go, here, are, sure. Here in each and every words, 2 vowel sounds glided into one. And overall the boss of the English letter sound is Schwa, that is upside down of E. Now breakdown about consonant sounds. So there are total 24 consonant sounds. Like plosives, that means stop release sounds, it has total 6 sounds. Fricatives, that means ear friction sounds, it has total 9 sounds. Affricates has total 2 sounds. Nasals has total 3 sounds, like moon, nose, sing, where we pronounce the word by taking help of our nose. And approximates, where it has total 4 sounds. So we will discuss the word Schwa in a different video with detailed. If you did not get me here, then just review this video. Just watch this video again from the beginning. Why? Because it is very important, so important to you to learn something about the letter sounds, and which you need to apply, which you can apply in your English speaking to improve your English speaking, to improve your pronunciation too. It is the part of English language. It is the part of English grammar. Now, what is grammar? Grammar is actually the structure of English language. Spoken English came first, then grammar came. So I never mean to tell you that learn all of everything. I mean all about everything about grammar. Just learn about the basic important details that you can apply in your English speaking to improve your English speaking. So never fed up, always be motivated, and keep learning, keep watching, and let me know in the comment section in which topic you want me to make a video next time. Also wait for my day 8 video. Till then, do subscribe the channel, like this video, and share this video with your family. Thank you so much. Bye bye.